Ashlyn's first bath.
She's like, I hate you. Come on, the water's warm, so it's not like I got you in cold water, baby girl. So, do I put the soap on her or do I put it on the washcloth? It's okay, washcloth. The washcloth.
She's just gonna go sleep.
She probably will. She's just like, let me get used to this, let me get used to this. Okay.
It's her first real bath.
Yeah.
They didn't even give them real baths in the hospital. What is that, Ashlyn? It's water. It's real water. Do you have shampoo for her head?
Yeah.
Okay. Gotta get all that ink off of you. Get you some more water. You kind of run the water over for as you go. She likes that. She says, that feels good, Mom.
Why didn't you do this before? Jeez, Mom, you're so mean to me. I'm gonna eat my fingers now.
Yeah, she probably wouldn't like that.
What?
To eat her fingers with that soap on it.
Yeah, probably not. Okay, baby girl.
Watch her head doesn't get down on the level. Ashlyn! Ashlyn!
She's like, woman, I'm naked. Why are you videoing this?
'Cause it's a first. Another first. Might put a little bit too much water in this time.
Yeah. Okay.
So next time, put a little bit less.
Yeah.
Yeah, remember, she's a big girl now.
Yeah.
She weighs more than you thought.
Yeah. She does, she does.
Watch her face.
Oh, baby girl. Oh, we could probably use this bathtub for Brutus, too. Huh? Oh, baby girl. You and Brutus can be washed in the same bathtub. How awesome would that be? I don't think so, Mommy. I don't think so.
She's got that ink all over her.
Yeah, I know. It comes off really easily, though, so that's good.
Look at that good girl.
Good baby.
Oh, I like the bath. I like the warm bath. I do.
Oh, bless you, baby girl. Let me wash this now. Let me wash this now.
She's got it on her arm, too. Such a good girl.
She's a very good girl.
So let me watch my head. I'm going down.
Stop
You really just want the water so
Yeah.
it's like at her butt. I just put too much in there. Okay.
It's okay, baby girl.
gotta move a little faster, Mom.
Sorry. Okay, do we got your hand clean? You got your hand clean? Yeah, looks like it. Okay, okay. Well, you got ink on your face, baby girl.
Oh
That's
gosh.
not wanting to come off.
There's a shampoo.
Behind you.
Try some of that. Watch your eyes. And don't rub on her head.
It's got the thing in it.